Geen. Geen in Maban or black means scorpion. Geen. Geen. Genius means powerful. Geen is also a killer. Geen has poisons in it. So when it will inject somebody else, something, it's hurtful, it's painful. So Geen is sign of power, strong. Geen, 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 Geen. Balka or balka. Balka. The verb mean have. Balka Geen means I have scorpion. Geen. Like saying in Arabic, Ana indi agrab. Ana indi agrab. Balka Geen. I have scorpion. Ya is I. Balka is a verb, and the noun is Geen. Kind of the same like as English. When you start, like in Maban, when you start with I is a subject. Ya, Balka, verb, and then noun Geen. Balka Geen. Ibalki Geen. So second one is E is you, is subject. And then Balki is the verb. Geen, noun. Eke is plural noun of you. E is a singular noun, but Eke is plural noun of you in Maban or African. Eke Balke. Geen. So Eke is a subject and have to agree. So subject must agree with verb. Verb Eke Balke. Balke is a verb. And the noun again, Geen. Eke Balke Geen. Saying to the people, Eke Balke Geen. As well, Eke Balke Chapa. Eke Balke Chapa means cat. Saying you have cat. But you in a plural, you're saying more people. If one person, then you say Ibalki cat or Ibalki Chapa, mean you have a cat. As here you say, or I say in the second one, Ibalki Geen. Eke Balke Geen. On Balkan Geen. The fourth one is we on Balkan Geen. And then fifth, Eken Balkan Geen. Eken is they. Balkan is verb. Geen, they have agrab. They have Geen. They have scorpion. So Maban too, it's arranged this way, as well as other languages. But when people who explain it, need people who explain it and teach the language to the people so that, people would understand and people would learn, people that interested to learn, people that want to know other languages. So need Maban people that can break things down, that can study real well, understand the subjects, verb, and nouns. So people who would execute it, the idea or the learning and knowledge, people who are dedicated can do it. So that's why I'm here. I want to give you some, words or subject, verbs, and nouns in Maban. Thank you.